Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can color grade your video into Adobe Brush. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go to the Adobe Brush. As you can see, I've already opened it. Now simply we need to click on the plus icon. So as you can see, it has the option for the add media. So let's click on this. And after that we need to click on this option which is called your media. We have to select that video, that which video we want to use. For example, I'm going to use this one. So let's click on the add and the video will be added. So as you can see, the video is added. Now simply we need to go to this option, as you can see in the sidebar, and we have to click on the third option which is called color. So let's click on this. And after clicking on the color, as you can see, it has the option for the edit. So we have to click on the edit. In the edit section here, you will be able to see all the color grading options. So I'm going to cut this one, as we can see clearly. If you want to increase the exposure, we have to increase the exposure as well. As you can see, it has the contrast option. So if you want to increase the contrast, you have to click on the contrast. And the highlights are also provided here, and the shadow is also provided. If you want to increase this or decrease this, you can also do that. So I'm going to control this here. And the temperature is also provided. If you want to increase the temperature or if you want to decrease the temperature, for example, I'm going to increase the temperature. And the tint and the vibrance is also provided. I'm going to increase a little bit I'm going to increase a little bit vibrance as well. And the saturation as well, I'm going to increase the saturation as well. In the advanced section, you are going to see some advanced option. If you want to use them, you can also do that. So in this way you can color grade your video in Adobe Brush. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do a color grading in your video in Adobe Brush. So see you guys in the next video.